If you have pain over the highlighted area in this picture, you may have something called Achilles tendinitis. This affects people who increase their activity levels abruptly and not gradually, and this can often lead to tendon breakdown. This is common in runners who increase their duration or intensity of exercise. As a physical therapist, one of the most effective things I do to treat Achilles tendinitis is by loading the tendon. Here we are doing a double leg calf raise to start out. It's a good way to start loading the tendon if you have high levels of pain. Moving on to a single leg calf raise, this is another way to increase the difficulty if pain levels are less than a 4 out of 10. You generally want to avoid having pain more than a 4 out of 10. If you're having pain or those are too difficult, try this exercise here, which is a seated soleus calf raise. You can use a dumbbell or a kettlebell on top, or if you have a machine, that's just as good. Here we have an alternative exercise called a calf press. This is another way to increase the load by increasing the weight and resistance, or you can also lower the resistance if your pain levels are high. Once your symptoms begin to improve with these exercises, remember to slowly introduce and progress the activity you want to get back to. Don't just jump right back into where you started prior to this injury, because you likely will have reemergence of symptoms.